In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import GA4 conversions into Google Ads. This process is a crucial part of optimizing your campaigns and ensuring that you're getting the most out of your advertising budget. By tracking conversions accurately, you can fine-tune your strategies to target the right audience and improve your return on investment. First things first, let's navigate over to the Google Ads homepage. If you aren't already familiar with Google Ads, it's a platform that helps you get more customers and sell more through online advertising. You'll start by opening your web browser and entering ads.google.com. This will take you to the Google Ads homepage where you'll want to look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to access your account. Once logged in, your next move is to head to the Google Ads Home dashboard. This is where you'll find all the insights and data related to your active campaigns. From here, hover over to the top menu bar where you'll spot the Tools icon. It looks like a little wrench and tells you it means business. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu under Tools, you'll want to look for and select Data Manager. This section is your command center for managing different data integrations and campaign data settings within Google Ads. It's where all the magic begins for linking your analytics and ads accounts. After you're in the Data Manager section, find the option that says Google Analytics, GA4 and Firebase. This option will allow you to view your analytics properties and how they can be integrated with Google Ads. Click on this option to proceed further into setting up your conversion tracking. Next, you will have an option saying link a Google Analytics GA4 property. This is a crucial step because linking your GA4 account allows Google Ads to track and report conversions accurately from web and app activity. When you click on this option, you'll be prompted to choose the GA4 property you wish to link. If you have multiple properties, make sure to select the correct one to ensure that the data is consistent with what you need for your ad campaigns. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully started the process of importing GA4 conversions into Google Ads. Remember, tracking these conversions is essential for analyzing your campaign's performance and adjusting your strategies in real time. With accurate conversion tracking, you will be able to optimize your advertising spend more effectively and ultimately see better results from your online marketing efforts. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.